Welcome to Starkville, Mississippi's college town virtual walking tour, where we're exploring the heart of Starkville, one district at a time. From historic neighborhoods to vibrant downtown streets, there's so much to discover.
Russell Street is just steps away from Mississippi State University.
After crossing Highway 12, this 0.7-mile stretch of downtown Starkville awaits, and it's packed with history, community, and character at every turn. Your first landmark is the Mill at MSU, which sits atop a beautiful green space and hosts many university conferences, special events, and more. Just ahead, keep your eyes open for the Welcome to Stark Vegas mural, a loved piece of public art and the perfect photo opportunity for locals and visitors alike. Continuing down the street, you'll find Cotton Crossing Shopping Center, which features a variety of shops, restaurants, and colorful murals that reflect the creative side of Starkville. Just nearby, Needmore Park represents Starkville's rich history and displays its beautiful culture through its welcoming atmosphere, and with a playground on site, it's a perfect spot for families. A short walk further brings you to the Oktibbeha County Heritage Museum, which maintains a stunning lawn. Visitors are welcome to stop by free of charge during touring hours to explore the stories and artifacts that tell the full story of our region. As you continue, College Park Shopping Center offers great dining options and beautiful shops that display the best of Starkville, from local favorites to carefully curated boutiques. Russell Street ends at Fire Station Park, home of the Starkville Community Market and the site of many events and special occasions throughout the year. This park is the perfect place to wrap up your walk and soak it all in. From Russell Street to the Cotton District, Midtown, and Main Street, our town has something for everyone. Plan your visit today at starkville.org. This project is supported in part by funding from the Mississippi Main Street Association.